You're watching XPTV.
So, how does that make you feel?
You are a mean, low-down dog. I know. My mother's.
Well, you'll love how Windows XP connects everyone in your home, yet is personalized for every family member.
Yeah, I know. I already have all my family's PCs hooked up to it.
So you can share the same internet connection simultaneously.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I'm very excited.
You can share scanners, printers, and drives.
We have to talk. I realize, Ashley, that I love you and that I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I use it for DVD because it has a great DVD player built right in. And you can download movies off the web and watch them.
Ashley, listen. All those other guys in the past don't even matter to me anymore. Ashley, I love you. Ashley, please tell me that you'll be my wife.
Oh, Milton! Oh, you shouldn't have. This must have cost a fortune. How much did it cost? No, don't tell me. It doesn't matter. But really, how much?
And you can play online games with people from around the world. I mean, it's great. It's beautiful. Just look at it, caller.
It's very
It is
exciting.
the most gorgeous creation in the history of the world, and I love it. And people say, well, if you love it, why don't you marry it? And maybe I will marry it because I love Windows XP that much.
XPTV. What is it?
Oh, Ashley, baby, when it comes to you, money is no object. If only you'd... Hey, why is this computer screen saying it loves you?
Milton, you're not jealous of a little computer, are you?
You told me about the Windows XP with instant messaging. This is a guy.
Man, I wish you would just go crawl out of that hole that you came from, and I'm gonna go find another man.
I programmed my computer to say all those flattering things. Your love is the only love that I want. I swear, you're the only one.
Really?
Really.
I think I know what the X stands for. And I'm pretty sure about the P. And even the T. But the V, that's a mystery.
All right. Look, we can get Windows XP.
Thanks for watching XPTV.